When it comes to gas water heaters, there's a problem that's been troubling the industry. Copper prices are wildly unstable. Everyone knows how much copper prices have risen in recent years.
High price isn't the only issue. Copper corrodes in humid environments, produces verdigris, and starts leaking over time.
Yep, another leaking copper heat exchanger. A leak is visible, but the real hazard is what's leaching into your water: lead.
But with a stainless steel heat exchanger, you get zero lead, zero corrosion, and solid durability. When you factor in the lifespan, it's actually way more cost-effective.
So why hasn't the industry switched to stainless steel at scale? Two main concerns: thermal efficiency and manufacturing difficulty.
But we added finned surfaces, dramatically increasing the heat transfer area. Our thermal efficiency matches copper.
Now, stainless steel exchanger is point, vacuum brazing. The assemble goes into a vacuum furnace, welded at high temperature, and yeah, that's a high barrier.
Here's the solder right before it goes in. Once inside the vacuum furnace, we pull all the air out to force out every single bubble. After the high heat, the weld is perfectly seamless.
High temperature brazing complete. Heat exchanger comes out, freshly finished.
After brazing, leak testing. We put the exchanger in water, pressurize it, check for any seepage. Every unit gets tested. Failures don't ship.
Every SEFFY water heater, outdoor or home, runs on our very own in-house stainless steel heat exchangers. The fins take care of the heat transfer, vacuum brazing locks in the quality, and rigorous air leak testing ensures every unit is perfect. We do both OEM and ODM. Check out our website for more, and let's build a great partnership together.